Ready for some mouth-watering brisket right from your barrel house cooker? It doesn't get much easier. Just be sure to give yourself plenty of time. Purchase any brisket up to 18 pounds and remove the majority of the fat. There are fat pockets that will also need to be dug out as well. The thicker end is called the point, and it is a bit more tender than the thinner flat section. Insert the first hook about 4 inches down from the top of the thicker end of the brisket. If the brisket is extra long, start the hooks about 6 to 8 inches down from the top. This will keep the brisket off the charcoal. Alternatively, you can separate the point from the flat and hang them individually. Briskets are heavy, so it is important to daisy chain several hooks for a secure hold. For larger briskets, consider making 2 rows of daisy chained hooks. Generously season the entire brisket with a beef seasoning or even just salt and pepper. Briskets have plenty of flavor all on their own. While attached to the H-frame, insert it down into a properly lit cooker that is full of charcoal and set at the proper elevation-based air setting. No water pan or drip pan is needed. After about 4 hours, check the internal meat temperature. When it's about 165, remove it and wrap tightly with several layers of heavy-duty foil, creating a drip-proof sleeve for the meat. Return it to the cooker and let it cook for another couple hours. At this point, you may want to add a chimney full of hot charcoal to the cooker. When the internal meat temperature is about 200 degrees, remove it and wrap it with a large towel or two. Be sure the juices do not drip out. Set it in a dry cooler and let it sit for 1 to 3 hours. When you are ready to eat, cut it crosswise against the grain until you get to the thick end where the grain direction changes, then cut lengthwise against the grain. The Barrel House Cooker produces amazingly tender brisket.